Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Prescription Nurse, your daily dose to living well. I'm Chandra Eldridge, your nurse consultant, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I will be showing you an easy, simple, quick, everyday 10-minute makeup look that you can do. You can wear it if you're going out to get groceries or if you're going to work or school. It's just very easy and simple, and you can do it in 10 minutes. Yes, you can. And all the products that I'm going to be using are drugstore products, and they are very affordable. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. And on this channel, we stay lit, we learn, we invest, and we teach. We learn what we need to do to stay healthy and be well and be beautiful and be our best selves. And once we learn how to do that, we invest in the tools and the resources to do those things. And then we teach others how to do the same. The best investment is investing in yourself. On this channel, we stay lit, we learn, we invest, and we teach. So if that's your vibe, go ahead and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so like I said, this video is a 10-minute look. So the 10 minutes, it does not include the skin prep. So I have already moisturized my skin. I've already put on my primer. We're just ready to get into the makeup look. I would like to go over the primer that I use, and it's the NYX Angel Veil Primer. And I'm going to put a little bit more on before we start, because I do tend to get a little bit oily. So I'm going to put a little bit extra around my nose and on my chin area. And right here, as you can see, it just totally gets the shine off. And I already put a little bit on, but I need a little bit extra because I don't know why it's just been so oily. And again, this is the Angel Veil Primer from NYX. So when I start the timer, guys, I'm going to be moving really quick. I will try to share some of the products, and I'm going to throw a disclaimer out there. You can do this look in 10 minutes, but because I am going to be speaking and kind of explaining things to you as I go, it may take a little bit longer than 10 minutes, but what I will do is put the timer on for 10 minutes, and let's just see how far we get. And then you can kind of subtract the time that I'm taking to talk and see if that's around about 10 minutes for you, and see if you agree with this 10-minute makeup look. But I'm telling you, you could do it in 10 minutes, but it'll be a little bit longer because I know I'm going to be talking. But I'm going to go ahead and set my timer for 10 minutes. And like I said, I'm going to be moving really fast, talking fast. Make sure I got all my stuff, because that's key. You got to make sure you have all your stuff ready. And in the mornings, I know exactly what I'm going to be using because it's an everyday look. So all my stuff is in the same spot. I keep it there, and I just kind of boom, 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 move through it, and I'm done and ready to go. So what I'm going to do, I set it for 10 minutes. I don't know if y'all can see this. I will try to get it here. So we're going to go for 10 minutes, guys. And like I said, you can kind of judge to see. I will be talking, so it's going to take a little bit longer, but you'll see how far I get. And let me just make sure I got everything before I start. So we're gonna set the timer for 10 minutes. Let's get this party started. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna go in with is my spoolie, and I'm gonna brush my brows. And like I said, I'm gonna be moving real quick. And so I'm gonna go in with my Almay pencil and start my brows. You just wanna shape. You just wanna go in with the shape of your brows. And then just fill it in. Okay, and then next I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer and clean up the brows. And you just want to not go too fast, take your time. But again, I'm getting ready, so in the morning I'm like really strapped for time, so because I like to sleep in. But I do get up. Lately I've been getting up and working out, so. And then I'm gonna go in with the brush and then just brush in the concealer. And this is my concealer brush, as you can see. It has concealer on it. These are my bristles. And the key to having this done quick is just being prepared, having all your stuff ready. So next, after I have the brows, I'm ready for the foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. And I have my Beauty Blender. I'm gonna use my Beauty Blender. And we're just gonna go ahead and put the foundation on. And like I said, I'm moving quick. I really like this L'Oreal foundation. It is so perfect. It dries matte and it does last for 24 hours. I mean, my makeup stays on all day. Once I have the foundation on, I'm gonna go in with the concealer, the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, and we're just gonna put a little bit here and here because we just want to do a little bit of concealing, not too much. Because this is just a simple everyday look. Beauty blender and just blend everything out. Brushes on there. Got the bristles on here from my brush. So now what I'm gonna go in with is my setting powder by Black Radiance. I'm just doing a little bit under the eye. So I really like a bright under eye. And this powder is very fine, so it does kind of go everywhere. And sometimes, y'all, I'm moving so fast it gets a little messy, but you'll see by the end. And I'm gonna put a little bit on my eyes to soak up the oil. And then we're gonna get into the So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the shadow look, and I'm going to be using my Milani palette. And this is an all-inclusive palette. It has blush, shadow, any kind of look that you need. It has it on here, but it's a simple palette. So I'm going to go here and just apply my shadow. And I want this all over my lid. And then next I'm gonna go in with another color, this lighter color here, and just a little bit, not much, just to kind of lighten it a little bit. Just to add a little bit of lighter color to it. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go put on my lashes, and I use this lash glue. It's like a liner, but it's glue. And I'm going to just draw here. And I do one at a time in the morning. And I think putting on the lashes, that takes the most time. grab your eyelid and then drop them on. And I really like this glue because it's so quick. That one's on, so I'm just gonna go do this one. Be careful with the glue, guys. But I'm gonna keep going. I know I got a little bit under my eye, but I can clean that up. Cause this is realistic. Like, this is what happens. Like, a lot of times you're going fast in the morning, you're trying to get ready. You might have a little mess up a little bit. But you just keep going. Try to get this glue off. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance contour palette, and we're just gonna contour a little bit. We're gonna contour the side of my nose. And then we're gonna bronze a little bit. This can be used as a contour and a bronzer, and I'm kind of contouring with it as well. And then the key is just to make sure you blend everything in once you do it. Once you get it all on, you have to make sure you blend everything in. Just really make sure you blend everything. So I'm looking for my brush, and that's the thing, you gotta make sure you keep up with your brushes. But anyway, I'm gonna move on back to the Milani, and we're gonna put on some blush. And look, guys, I'm just about done with this look, and it's been 10 minutes. I have my blush on. I'm gonna stop the timer. And the last thing literally that I have to do is just put on some lip gloss or lipstick. So I'm gonna line my lips with Black Opal. And if I was not filming and having to speak, I'd be done with this look. So you can see how you can totally do this in 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna go over my Revlon lip stain, Color Stay Satin Ink. This is a beautiful color, especially just for a neutral nude. You can wear every day. And so now I'm just going to kind of blend in my blush. And then I'm going to take a brush and just kind of brush overall, just kind of brush over my face overall. And I cannot find my brush I used to highlight with. Oh, it's right here. Not highlight, but contour with. I just want to kind of blend that contour in a little bit more. So as you can see, guys, this is a simple, easy, everyday makeup look. Lastly, what I'm gonna do is set the makeup with the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. And this truly does help your makeup to last a very long time. This is one of my favorite drugstore setting sprays. And it says it can help your makeup last up to 16 hours. And you know, I have worked 12 hours. And it really does help your makeup to last. So what I'm going to do is spray this on. You gotta save your work, save your work. And it smells so nice and fresh. So while the setting spray is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and fix my hair, and we'll go ahead and close this video out. So I'll see you in a second. So guys, this is my 10-minute everyday makeup routine. This is the finished look. I have finished my hair and everything, and I am ready to go. This is a simple look that you can do. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I used all drugstore products, so they're very affordable. I will leave everything in the description box down below, so check that out if you're interested in any of the products that I've used. Also, if you are feeling my vibe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I try to put out videos once a week. So I do videos on health and wellness and beauty, because I feel like beauty is a lifestyle, and if you look good, you feel good, and when you feel good, you look good, because beauty comes from within. So if you're feeling good on the inside, it's going to radiate to the outside. So that's what I'm all about here, and if you are interested and want to join the family, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. And guys, I'm so happy that you joined me for another video, and stay tuned to Prescription Nurse. Now that's your daily dose.